But it will come up to porch, buddy.
Oh, yeah, they're on the sidewalk. What are you going to do about it?
But he's gonna go up the porch for me.
You think so? What are they doing?
Oh, buddy. Can you come on the porch?
Stay up on the porch, though. Don't go down the stairs.
What is this? What is this?
I don't know.
No, this is Daddy's newspaper.
Now it's on the floor. Can you pick it up?